How many of us have closet filled with clothes we never wear? This is huge. Now my closet is ready to stay like this for the next 5 minutes. I have been avoiding this closet for ages, but now no more procrastination. My only motivation to do a closet clean out is filming this video. And my goal is to minimize my closet and declutter those clothes that I don't use anymore. I know that I will take forever to declutter and organize this closet, so I thought to myself, what if I declutter this closet in 1 hour and organize it in the next 1 hour? Seems impossible, but that's the challenge. Basically, I will be using Parkinson's law, which means that when you set yourself a tighter deadline, you actually get your work done faster than if you had given yourself a longer deadline. This is my tiny closet, and let me give you a quick closet tour. जो फिलहाल कबाड़ खाना बना हुआ है. So this is the before look. फिलहाल सब कुछ messed up है completely. Right now it's 12:27 and I am putting the timer on 2 hours. Let's begin. Let's start with step 1, emptying the closet. Now giving you all an update, मैंने roughly सब कुछ segregate कर लिया है.
These are the tops, these are kurtis and kurta sets, these are winter wear, some party wears and miscellaneous stuff, skirt sets, and my bottoms, and these are the jeans.
Out of so many jeans, I only wear 2. This closet clean out was a much needed. Now I will sort these clothes into 3 piles. The ones that I will be keeping, the ones that need to be tailored, and the ones that I will be donating. From where should I start? I transferred a few clothes niche and I will be sorting into 3 piles here. Let's begin with kurtis. You know, कुछ कपड़ों के साथ I have so many memories attached. This is the first DIY I ever did on a cloth and I'm speechless. ऐसी memories बहुत सारे कपड़ों के साथ है, but कब तक संभाल के रखेंगे? We have to let it go. मतलब कुछ भी. I wore this on the annual day of my 10th class. इसे सिर्फ memory के लिए संभाल के रखा है. Not anymore. You know, पहले I used to buy so many like trendy pieces. This is one of them जो back in time like 1 or 2 years back ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा trend में था. So I bought it and I literally wore it just once for a video और उसके बाद मैंने इसे कभी पलट के भी नहीं देखा. I don't fit in this anymore. Now I have started investing in those pieces जो versatile हो and not trendy. अब मैंने ट्रेंड्स के पीछे भागना छोड़ दिया है. वो 2 साल पहले वाली हंसिका और आज की हंसिका में बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क है. मैं घर में किसी को भी कपड़े नहीं फेंकने देती. ये मेरे पापा का है. मैंने सोचा था इस पर कुछ DIY करके यूज़ करूँगी, बट वो कभी नहीं हुआ. इट्स बीन लाइक 4 years ये ऐसे ही पड़ा है मेरे वॉर्डरोब में. दिस इज समथिंग जो अगेन मैंने ट्रेंड के चलते हुए खरीदा था. एक्चुअली माई फ्रेंड्स बॉट मी दिस ऑन माई बर्थडे एंड ये मेरी ही चॉइस से खरीदा है मैंने. स्टिल आई नेवर वोर दिस. दिस इज फ्रॉम स्ट्रीट स्टाइल स्टोर एंड मैंने इसे एक बार भी नहीं पहना है बिकॉज मुझे इसकी क्वालिटी इतनी पसंद नहीं है. एंड द सेकेंड थिंग, आई ऑलरेडी ओन a very similar top जो मैंने ग्लोबल से खरीदा था I think around 7 or 8 years पहले. So there was no point buying this. I don't know what I was thinking while buying this. अपना टाइम आएगा. आ गया अपना टाइम आ गया. मुझे ऐसे कपड़े अब बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं आते हैं. Again another tie-dye. ट्रेंड के पीछे भागना था. There are so many memories attached to these clothes that I just can't let them go. But I have to. This is making me so emotional. Bought this just because it was trending. Just because it was trending. Clothing pieces like these are so versatile. I can wear it like any time. Decades के लिए ये top चल सकता है. This is a tip from my side. Invest in such pieces. Pile of clothes which need to be tailored. So we will keep these aside now. The pile of clothes that I am keeping. And now coming to the main part. These are the pile of clothes that I am donating. Literally there are pieces like this jeans. मैंने इसे एक बार भी नहीं पहना है. पहनने के लिए कपड़े नहीं है और अलमारी में जगह नहीं है. Ideally, I like high waist jeans and this one is a low waist. Like this is the sole reason I'm donating this. Let me show you this piece as well. No doubt this is very beautiful. I bought this during Diwali when I was in 8th grade. Will you believe when I say I bought this piece for worth rupees 5,000 और मैंने इसे 5 बार भी नहीं पहना है. I'm guilty. The reason I'm donating this is because ये ऐसा स्टाइल है that I won't be wearing ever again. Decluttering is done and now it's time for organizing these clothes. Let's start by folding them. We are running out of time. I only have 27 minutes in my hand. I'm pretty unsure if I can successfully complete this challenge. Now I'll be deep cleaning my closet. The time is up. The 2 hours are done. I couldn't get done with this. I'm still folding the clothes. These many are done with folding and these are the clothes which are still remain to fold. I know the time is up but I am not giving up. I didn't consider the time that I will need to update you all and to change the camera angles. मैंने वो बिल्कुल भी count में नहीं लिया था and that's where I'm mistaken. I am still continuing without any break and let's see when can I complete this stuff. Finally done with folding all the clothes. These are the organizers that I will be using to keep my clothes organized along with these boxes. I bought these boxes yesterday from DMart. Now let's begin keeping these clothes into these organizers. The smallest one for all the tops. Now comes the final step.
Step 4. Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a
Right now it's 3:16 and I took like 2 hours and 45 minutes for this. The reason I have kept so many clothes in boxes is that coming home is like going on a vacation for me. मतलब there are barely few days जब मैं घर पे रुकती हूँ. The only clothes which I use daily में घर पे सिर्फ उतने ही कपड़े मैंने बाहर रखे हैं, बाकी के सारे अंदर है in the boxes. And now my closet is ready to stay like this for the next 5 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Loads of love.